in today's class we are going to mark the important latitudes. For doing so, you already know that we have 5 important latitudes: the equator, the Tropic of Cancer, the Tropic of Capricorn, the Arctic Circle and the Antarctic Circle. So for doing so, first you will take your pencil and we will mark 2 points to locate the place. After we mark our 2 points, you will take your pencil and scale and make a dotted line. Once you are sure that your line is correct, it is straight, you will outline it with your black pen. For example, for equator, this curved part of Africa where it is ending, there you will mark 1 point. The other point, it will go from South America, from this northern part of South America. After you are sure, you will join these 2 lines with dotted lines, not a straight line, and you will join them till the end. Make sure to use a pencil and scale, since I am not using, my lines may be a little crooked. Yours should be straight. After you have marked near the margin, you will write what this line is in capital letters. You will write equator, and in bracket you will write 0 degree. So that brings us to our first line, the equator. Now moving on to the Tropic of Capricorn, which is 23.5 degrees south. So the first point where Tropic of Capricorn passes from is just below Madagascar. In fact, a little above from here. And the next point will be from the center, from middle of Australia. Again, you will combine these two, all these points till the end. And after you have done so, again near the margin, you will write the whole thing, Tropic of Capricorn. Write smaller because I am writing on the tablet, it's coming as a little untidy, but your work should be very tidy. And in bracket, you will write 23.5 degrees south. Now that brings us to the third latitude, which is the Tropic of Cancer. The Tropic of Cancer should be passing from the Gulf of Kutch in India. You know Gujarat is here, so 1 point you will mark here. And the second part, it will pass from the Gulf of Mexico in North America. After you find your points, you will join them this way till the end. And you will follow the same purpose and you will write from here Tropic of Capricorn. Sorry, Tropic of Cancer. And in bracket you will write 23.5 degrees north. Now moving ahead to the last two, when we are talking about the Arctic Circle, it is 66.5 degrees north, and the Arctic Circle just passes above Iceland. So near Greenland, this small island here, this is Iceland. Once you locate that point, the second point can be from the Scandinavia area, which is passing from Europe. So once you join these area, that brings you again to your straight line, and this becomes, again here you will write your Arctic Circle, and in bracket you will write 66.5 degrees north. Coming down to the last one is the Antarctic Circle. So this, as the name suggests, it passes from Antarctica. So in the southern part here you will find a little island, and from the northern part of that island you will make 1 point, and the second one will pass from the continent, just from the north part of the continent, Antarctica. Once you join these lines till the end, this becomes your Antarctic Circle with what will be written below 66, and in the bracket you will write on the line 66.5 degrees south. Make sure that you should be doing all the writing on the line like I have written. It should not be hanging in the air. All the writing will be done only with a black pen, and after you have made your straight, you are sure that your line is not slanting or curved or anyway, it's a straight proper line, then only you will outline it with a black pen. And please remember, first you will do it with a pencil and a scale. After you are sure, then only you will mark with your black pen. So this is what your map would finally be, and at the end of it, after you have done the whole thing, your map should look as neat as this. So that was just a trial that I was showing you on a blank map. After you are done with the map, your entire map should look like this. The only difference should be that your line should be done with a black pen and there should not be any straight line. All should be dotted lines. So as you can see, this is passing from the curved area of Africa, the equator. Similarly, Tropic of Capricorn is passing from the south of Madagascar and middle of Australia. You can see the Tropic of Cancer passing from the Gulf of Kutch in India. You can see that just above Iceland, the Arctic Circle is passing. And you can see that from the northern part of Antarctica, the Antarctic Circle is passing. So this is your map of the latitudes, which is very important for examination. I hope it is very clear.